How to change YouTube video thumbnail using your mobile. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. In this video, we will show you how to change YouTube video thumbnail using your mobile device. First thing first, make sure you have downloaded YouTube Studio app on your device. You can do this by simply opening Google Play Store or App Store. So after downloading the app, open it. Here you can see all of your video. If you want to see more of your videos, click on content located on bottom of your screen. So search for the video on which you want to change thumbnail. Here I'll be changing this one, so simply tap on it. Now after opening the video, on top right hand side of your screen you can see different icons, so tap on this pen icon. Now you will be able to edit your video, so again tap on this pen icon located on top left hand side of your screen. And then you can finally edit your thumbnail. So here on bottom of your screen you can see 3 different options. These are screenshots from your video. You can either choose them or tap on this change icon. Now it will lead you to your gallery. Now select the image that you want to add as thumbnail for your video. Here let me select this one. So after selecting the image, click on this down icon located on top right hand side of your screen. This is all you need to do to change thumbnail of your YouTube video. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.